This is the read aloud for the Station 3 integer word problem assignment. You can stop or pause this video anytime you need to replay and rehear a word problem or go to the next problem. Some tips to remember: read and solve each word problem, show your work, be sure your answer is easy to locate. You can put a circle around it or a square around it so that we can find your answer easily, and use your problem solving strategies. Station 3 integer addition problem solving. The first few problems you have are addition problems. Realize the remainder of the worksheet is not only addition, it's all operations with integers. To the right hand side, you're going to use that space for required models or number lines if the problem requires you to do that or specifies that. Number 1, an elevator is 2 floors below ground level and goes up 5 floors. Write an addition equation that models the location of the elevator relative to ground level. What integer represents the new location? Problem 2. One morning the temperature was -5 degrees Fahrenheit. By noon the temperature had increased 12 degrees. What was the temperature at noon? Use a model to explain your answer. So you should have a model of some type over on the right hand side, plus put your answer on the line. Number 3, a lobster fisherman moves a lobster trap from 20 feet below sea level to a location that is 15 feet deeper. Draw a number line and write an addition equation that models this situation. What integer represents the new location relative to sea level? So again, you need a number line, an addition equation, and your answer of what integer represents the new location relative to sea level. Number 4, a helicopter is 19 meters above the top of a canyon wall. It goes down 27 meters, passing into the canyon, and then goes up 5 meters. What is the new position of the helicopter relative to the top of the canyon wall? Show your work. Number 5, Amy, Ray, Kim, and Jamal are on a trivia team. They gain points for correct answers and lose points for incorrect answers. During the contest, Amy gains 3 points, Ray loses 4 points, Kim loses 2 points, and Jamal gains 5 points. How many points does the team have at the end of the contest? Next to the directions says, use the operations with integers to solve the word problems. So these will be problems that are not specifically addition problems. Show your work and solve each problem. Number 6, Travis gained 9 pounds during the holidays. He dieted and lost 14 pounds, but gained 3 more when he went on vacation. By the end of the year, he lost another 7 pounds. How much and in what direction was his net change in weight? Number 7, Lewis kept losing money through a hole in his pocket. He started with 35 cents, lost 20 cents, and put in 75 cents more, spent 34 cents and lost 16 cents, and then put in 14 cents. How much change should there be in his pocket? Number 8, Claire went mountain climbing. She climbed 4,250 feet above sea level, then descended 1,450 feet, then descended 1,357 feet more, and finally climbed 200 feet more before camping. At what altitude did she stop? Number 9, a submarine dove to a level of 450 meters below the surface of the ocean. Later, it climbed 270 meters and finally dove 80 meters more. At what depth did it stop? Number 10. On the first play of the football game, Casey gained 14 yards. On the second play, however, he lost 16 yards. Finally, with a great run, he gained 35 yards. What was his net gain? Number 11. Rita had $357 in her checking account. She deposited a $175 paycheck wrote a $320 check for a vacation items and a $14 check for dinner. How much was left in her account? Number 12. An elevator started on the 4th floor. It went up 3 floors, down 2, up 1, down 5, up 7, and down 4 floors. On what floor did the elevator stop? Problem 13. In the first round of a game, Samantha missed 2 questions and lost 20 points each. In the next round, she lost 10 more points. What is her score now? Number 14. Adam had $25 in his bank account yesterday. He went to the mall and now has a balance of negative $17. How much money did Adam spend at the mall? Number 15. Philip's score in a video game was changed by negative 75 points because he missed some targets. He got negative 15 points for each missed target. How many targets did he miss? Number 16. A glider descends 240 meters in 12 seconds. What is the average change in the elevation per second? Number 17. The temperature dropped 3 degrees Fahrenheit every hour for 5 hours. What was the total number of degrees the temperature changed in the 5 hours?